fuck off, dog. Hit this little jump. God damn, it gets too windy at these speeds. Fuck. Alright, ready? Engine off, neutral race. No handers. No hands. Can I stop with no hands? Let's see. Foot brake only. Slowing down. Trying to balance. Trying to balance. Come on. Hey, kinda. I thought you were Daryl at first. What are you doing? You just getting home?
Well, I went back to Jack. This is dumbass.
Oh. You want to be in a YouTube video?
How's riding?
Oh, it's pretty cold, but it's pretty fun. It's not that bad out today.
Yeah, it's been worse. It's been like
yeah. Alright, well you have fun, dude. I'll see you around. Hey, when are we gonna ride again? When it gets...
I'll text you whenever I feel like riding.
Alright, cool. Alright, see ya. Yo, what up, guys? You guys ice fishing?
Yeah, we're going to.
You guys want to be in a YouTube video?
Sure.
Alright, because I'm recording. Hey, catch something, dude. You like that wheelie?
You did one?
Yeah, you want to see another?
Sure.
Alright guys, let's call that a moto vlog or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Peace out guys, I'll see you in the next video.